Safe and affordable energy. When we talk about safe and affordable energy, what do we actually mean? Well, affordable seems pretty obvious. It shouldn't be expensive, but it has to be environmentally affordable as well. For example, deforestation is not affordable. Why? Because removing millions of trees has climate changing potential. So does burning dirty fossil fuels such as coal and oil. You know, about 3/4 of electricity here in the UK is produced from burning fossil fuels such as coal and oil. They're dirty and they're expensive. Safe energy is about giving up expensive nuclear energy. Low-level radiation has been proved to be a risk to human health, and the dangers of a nuclear accident are ever present in the transportation of spent fuel and the dismantling of old reactors. The storage of radioactive waste will be a hazardous problem for 10 generations or more. No matter which way you look at it, nuclear is not safe. But energy from wind, sun and water is safe. It is also affordable and clean, and there is a limitless supply. In Wales, we can generate more than twice the energy we need from renewables. Safe and affordable energy is available now. The only reason we're not using it is because the powerful oil and nuclear companies cannot make so much money out of it. Greens would change this. We would make planned investment in the engineering and the design of renewable technology so that efficiency is improved and costs come down. We would also actively promote community and cooperative ownership so that everyone can take a direct share in the profits. It doesn't sound much, but it would transform the way electricity is produced, giving everyone safe and affordable energy.